Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee using a Nespresso machine. Start by filling the water tank and turning the machine on so it reaches the proper temperature. Use fresh beans ground for espresso if using a refillable capsule, and preheat your cup with hot water. Always use the recommended capsules or calibrated refillable pods for the best crema and flavor. Measure about 5 to 6 grams per shot for consistent results. Ensure clean water and a descaled machine before brewing to protect flavors. Run a water-only cycle to clear lines and fill the tank with filtered water for better taste. Insert your capsule correctly and lock the compartment before selecting cup size, and always dispose of used capsules promptly. If using milk, warm and froth it separately to avoid clogging the machine, then combine gently. Adjust cup size settings to match cup volume and personal strength preference. Small adjustments can change your cup dramatically, so measure and taste each change. Use original capsules or calibrated refillable pods for consistent pressure and crema, and time extraction for balanced flavor. Pre-infuse when possible to bloom the coffee, and pour milk gently to keep crema intact. After brewing, rinse the drip tray and run a short water cycle to prevent buildup and stale flavors. Taste and tweak grind, dose, and cup size until.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.